Hey, I was wondering if I could use some white noise. Oh yeah, of course, of course. We got dead fish. What what is that? Oh, they're dead, so they don't make sound. So, okay, I don't know if that's gonna work out for me. Do you have like I don't know, just some like maybe ocean or like waves or something? We got burnt toast. Okay, okay. There has to be something else here. There's got to be like. Oh, totally, totally. We got seagull. Okay, just something nice to sleep to. That's all I want. Oh yeah, people love this one. Getting stabbed. What is that? What the heck is that? Painful. Sounds painful.